Hi and welcome to a numbers part 2. So in this lesson we're gonna talk about numbers from 10 to 20. So we have learned how to count to 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's time to continue. So all you gotta do to count to 20 is add naest to each of these numbers. So it looks like this. 1 naest, 2 naest, 3 naest, 4, it's a bit shorter, 4 naest, 5 naest, 6 naest, 7 naest, 18, 19, and then for the 20, you just add number 2 in front of 10. So you have 10, and then you add 2. 20. So in number 11, 11, you can see that the N is connected. 11. Then 2 is okay, 2 nice, 3 nice, and then 4 is a bit shorter. 4 nice, 5 nice is okay, 6 is a bit shorter too, it's not šest, it's šest nice, and then 7, 8, and 9 are fine. So it sounds like this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now sometimes when you say naest fast, it sounds like naist. N-a-y-s-t. So you don't have to get confused about it. It sounds like this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Lots of people talk this way because they're talking fast. You can also say it that way. But the right way to say it is naest. So one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This lesson was way too easy, right? Have fun learning. Bok.